Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to change profile picture on TikTok. So for that you must first have your account on TikTok and tap on TikTok application. So once you tap on your TikTok application, you get to the For You page. Now from here you'll have to go and tap at the profile icon at the bottom right. So once you tap there, you'll get to this page where all your videos that you have uploaded or the drafts will be shown. So in order to change profile picture, you'll have to go and tap on add option that is written just below the camera like icon. So once you tap there, now you have two options. You can either take photo or upload photo. For now I'll be uploading photo, so I'll be tapping on upload photo option. If you want to take photo, you can tap on take photo option as well. So once you choose the option, it will take you to the gallery where you'll have to go and choose the picture you want to upload as a profile picture. Here I have chosen a picture. Now if you want to post this photo to story as well in your TikTok account, you'll have to go and check on post this photo to story, and if you want to see how it's gonna look, you'll have to go and tap on preview. So once you tap on preview, this is how it's gonna look on your story. So now if you don't want to post this photo to story, you can uncheck it as well by tapping on the check option if it's already checked. You can even drag the photo and crop it, and once you're done you can go and tap on save option at the bottom. So that is how you upload profile picture to your account which do not already have profile picture. Now if you already have profile picture and if you want to change, you'll have to go and tap on your profile picture first. So once you tap on your profile picture, you can see a pen like icon which is edit. You'll have to go and tap on the pen like icon. So once you tap on the icon, it will again take you to gallery, so you can choose the picture you want. So now here you can see your profile picture has been changed. So that is it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining in.